Our topic of discussion is NAND network. NAND network. Already we have seen NAND gate is a universal gate, which means any basic gates, say AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, can be constructed with the help of NAND gate, since it is called as universal building block. Now let us see what is NAND network. There are certain rules are there to construct NAND network. The first step is the given logic function is simplified and it is expressed in SOP form. SOP form. You know, SOP means sum of product equation. The given logic function is simplified and it is expressed in sum of product form equation. Number 2, draw logic circuit using basic gates such as AND or NOT gates. And also you assume that the inputs are available in complemented form and also uncomplemented form. Step 3. The basic gates AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate are replaced by equivalent NAND gate. Equivalent NAND gate. If two NOT gates are cascaded, which means one before another, two NOT gates are constructed in the circuit that can be removed. When two NOT gates are cascaded, that can be removed from the circuit. Number 4, two NOT gates are cascaded that can be removed. The final circuit consists of only NAND gate. Let us see how this is. To study this NAND network, let us consider one equation f of a, b, c is equal to a bar, b bar, c plus a, b bar, c plus a, b, c bar plus a, b, c. This is one equation. That equation is in the sum of product form. The first step is the given equation is simplified form of the sum of product equation. This is the given equation. Now we have to simplify this equation using Boolean simplification technique that we have seen in last class. Here the b bar c is common in both terms. So you take b bar c outside, b bar c, within bracket you have a bar plus a, plus similarly here AB are common to both terms. So you take AB outside, AB within bracket you have C plus C bar. But we know that from our laws, A plus A bar is equal to 1, C plus C bar is equal to 1. Substitute that here, you get B bar C plus AB. This is the simplified form of the SOP equation. The given SOP equation is this. that equation is simplified. This is the first step of NAND network. The given equation, SOP equation, is simplified. It is simplified. The second step is draw the logic circuit using AND or NOT gates. So for this equation, I am going to construct circuit using basic gates, say AND or NOT gate. First you have to draw the input lines. The input lines available in the form of complemented and uncomplemented form. Here, because of the three variables, you draw three lines with one complement is there. So you draw four input lines, A, B bar and C. A line, B line, this is B bar line, this is C line. B bar line is obtained by putting one NOT gate between B and B bar. So insert one NOT gate, automatically it became B bar. The first step, the first term in this equation, B bar C. B bar C is generated with the help of one AND gate. Take one line from B, one line from C, put one AND gate. For A, B, again you need one more AND gate. A, B. Draw one AND gate. This is the sum of product equation. The both product will be summed up with the help of one OR gate. The output equation is B bar C plus A into B. The first step is the given equation is in the SOP form, which is simplified. The simplified equation is B bar C plus AB. The next step is draw the circuit for the simplified equation using basic gates and or NOT gate. So that is over. The next step is you replace this gate, basic gates 1, 2, 3 by equivalent NAND gates. For NAND gate, the AND equivalent NAND gate we have seen in earlier classes. In the universal building block of NAND, the AND is replaced by two NAND gate. Now look at here, this AND gate. This AND gate is replaced by two NAND gate. This is, you take the line from B bar and the line from C. In the place of AND 1, you replace two NAND gate. This is NAND gate 1, NAND gate 1. This output is connected to one more NAND gate. So this is NAND gate 3. Similarly, the AND gate 2 is replaced by two NAND gates. This is one from B line, the other from A line. So these two gate is replaced by gate 3. This is now one more NAND gate. Put one more NAND gate. This is NAND gate 4. Now I replaced the AND gate 1 by equivalent two NAND gate. The AND gate 2 by equivalent two NAND gate 3 and 4. So up to this portion is over. Now the remaining gate is OR gate. The OR gate is replaced by the NAND gate. Here you need three NAND gate to replace one OR gate. So this is one OR gate, one NAND gate, and here also one NAND gate whose output is connected to one more NAND gate. This OR gate 3 is replaced by three NAND gate. This is gate 5, gate 6, gate 7. First step, The given equation is in the SOP form, which is simplified form. The second step is draw the circuit using basic gates and or NOT gate. Then the basic gates are replaced by the equivalent NAND gate. This is over. Up to this step, third step we over. Then the fourth step is if two NOT gates are cascaded one by one, that can be removed. Look at here. Here the two NOT gates. Here also these two NOT gates. The gate 2, gate 5. The AND 2 and 5 both are in the cascaded form, that too they both are NOT gate. Therefore, this can be removed. So here also the NOT gate, the AND gate 4 and gate 6 both are in the cascaded form, both are acting as a NOT gate which is cascaded form, that can also be removed. The remaining gate is the consists of only NAND gates. That gates are only the form, that is gate 1, this is NAND gate 1, this is NAND gate 2, NAND gate 7, NAND gate 7, this is NAND gate 7, NAND gate 7. Look at this circuit. The AND gate, OR gate is replaced by only NAND gates. Therefore, this is called as NAND network. If any circuit consists of AND gate followed by the OR gate, you can replace that by NAND gate. This is the concept of NAND network. Now, let us discuss NOR network. NOR network. For NOR network, there are some rules are there, as we have seen in the NAND network. The first rule is the given logical function is simplified and which is expressed in product of sum equation. In the case of previous case, sum of product equation SOP, and here POS, product of sum equation. Number 1, POS form, equation is in the POS form. The given logic function is simplified which is expressed in product of sum form. The second step is draw the circuit using basic gates such as AND, OR, NOT gate, and provide input lines which is complemented and uncomplemented form. The third step is replace each basic gates using NOR gates. NOR gate. Replace each basic gates by NOR gate. Number 4, if two NOT gates are cascaded, that can be eliminated or removed. Remove two cascaded NOT gates. The remaining circuit consists of only NOR gate, that is called as NOR network. NOR, already we know that NOR is the universal building block. Why it is called the universal building block? The NOR gate can be used to construct basic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, NAND gate, etc. Therefore, it is called as universal building block. Now, let us see what is the concept of NOR network. For that, you consider one equation, that is y is equal to a plus b dot c plus d. This equation is in the form of POS, product of sum equation. Already this equation is in the simplified form, therefore no need of simplification. Because of 4 variables A, B, C, D, you have to draw 4 input lines A, B, C, D. C, D lines. Here there is no complement, therefore no need of putting NOT gate here. So you take the first term A plus B, A plus B. The A plus B is obtained with the help of one OR gate. Take one line from A, another line from B, connect one OR gate. This is OR gate 1. This output is A plus B. To generate the value C plus D, you need one more OR gate from C plus D. C and D, draw one more OR gate. This output is C plus D. The both outputs are given to one AND gate that will product the input. So this is one AND gate, this is another AND gate. Connect here one AND gate to gate 3, whose output is equal to A plus B dot C plus D. So the given equation y is equal to A plus B into C plus D is generated with the help of this basic circuits using two OR gates and one AND gate. So up to this second step is over. The third step is replace the basic gates by equivalent NOR gates. Now you take this first OR gate. The OR gate is replaced by two NOR gates. You take the same line from A and the line from B. This is replaced by one NOR gate and this is connected to one more NOR gate. NOR gate 1, NOR gate 2. Similarly, the OR gate 2 is replaced by the two NOR gates. Take line here and here also here. Connect one NOR gate, gate 3. This is another NOR gate, gate 4. NOR gate 4. So the OR gate A is replaced by two NOR gate. The OR gate 2 is replaced by 2, 3, 4 NOR gates. Now you come to this AND gate. The AND gate is replaced by 3 NOR gates. This is one NOR gate 5. This is another NOR gate 6. This is 6. Both 5 and 6 is connected to one more NOR gate 7. This output, final output is equal to A plus B into C plus D. The first step is given expression is in the POS, which is simplified. So already it is in the simplified form. The second step is draw the circuit using basic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. That also over. The third step is replace the given basic gates by NOR gate, equivalent NOR gate. That also over. The fourth step is if two NOT gates are cascaded, that can be removed. Look at here, these two NOT gates are cascaded and here also two NOR gates are cascaded. Remove from the circuit. This is removed, this also removed. The remaining circuit is consists of only NOR gate, which is in the form of this is one NOR gate, this is another NOR gate. This is a NOR gate 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This is connected to 7th NOR gate, 7th NOR gate, 7th NOR gate, whose output is equal to, this output is equal to A plus B into C plus D. Here you are connecting this NOR gate is equal to A, this value is equal to A, and this is equal to B, and this is equal to C, this is equal to D. Finally, you get A plus B plus C plus D. So, look at this circuit. This entire circuit is replaced by this circuit. Basically, we have OR gate and AND gate. The OR gate follows by the AND gate is replaced by NOR network. This is the concept of NOR network. In the previous case, the AND gate follows the OR gate can be replaced by the NAND network, and here the OR gate followed by the AND gate is replaced by NOR network.